Hey y'all, welcome to the vlogs. Your girl is about to make some beef and broccoli. Right now I got me an icy. I had it's nice and cold. But I wanted to add some ice, so I just want to pour it over some ice to see how it tastes. But yeah. So the remainder of it I just put it inside a bottle. So you know how we gotta do. We're trying to make it work. It ended up tasting good. It was a pineapple and coconut. Was it pineapple and coconut water or just coconut? It was one of them. I think I showed it if I didn't miss it. But yeah, I'm gonna plug this up. But yeah, so your girl about to make some beef and broccoli. If y'all look back at my other videos, I did do beef and broccoli a while ago, but this one right here turned out a little bit different, y'all. It turned out different, okay? Um, but as you make stuff, you learn, you learn, you learn, you learn. So I did learn some things, and I'll tell y'all that along the way. But for now, I just want to go ahead and get this steak. So I cut up two steaks. Now they don't have the bone, but they were still kind of a little thick. But I'd rather get the ones that are real, real, real thin. But of course, we improvised. They didn't have it, so this is what we're working with. And I did find that once I cook the steak, I let it simmer to get all the flavors going together. You know, combine everything, and it tasted better. Like 2 days later. 2 days later. Okay. Okay. 2 days later, it tasted better. Close the door behind you, please. The door. Thank you. Love you. So, yeah. So right now I'm cutting up. I'm about to start cutting this meat. I don't know what I was doing, but I'm about to start cutting it. And I did notice it did have some fat on it, so I did cut that part off, like that right there. We cut that off. Okay, we cut that off, baby. And also, I love to cook, so I enjoyed making this meal. Even though the kiddos didn't want any, me, myself, and I enjoyed a whole pan. Okay. Now I didn't eat all at the same servings. I did spread out a couple of days, like 3 days. I ate off of it, and I was like, okay, your girl burnt out of it. Okay, cool, whatever, whatever. Now I did make some rice along the side of it too, so I could have had it with rice or without rice because it was good by itself. But yeah. So yeah, I'm going ahead and season. I use some seasoning salt. I use some black pepper. I use some lemon pepper. I use accent. Right now I'm putting a little oil in there so we can get this going. Now, oh yeah, one more thing that I did not do, which I should have done. Of course, I didn't have this. I had to improvise. Was add some either cornstarch to make it more crispy. But overall, like I said, I put that flour on it, baby, and I fried it and I sauteed it. More like simmered it in the. What did I use? I think I used beef bouillons, and it gave it that flavor that I was looking for. So, um, yeah, your girl, she can season up some food. Okay, no bland and so here. And as a lot of them will say, if you ain't seasoned, it ain't seasoned. So that's what I did. I made sure I seasoned it to the gods. And there was that Creole, put that Creole in there. I didn't want it too spicy just in case somebody else wanted to eat some because I know Creole is good, but it do give it a little kick. We like that kick sometimes, but sometimes we want to enjoy our food. We don't want to have that, it's too spicy where you can't enjoy your food. But anyways, y'all, go ahead and continue to watch me get this meal together, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay? Starting to thicken. And it's starting to thicken up, which I love. Okay, yes, girl. It's gonna be so good, but I want to let it keep on marinate. Let them broccoli get done, and the beef. It was a different type of steak, so we're gonna just let it do its thing, and we're gonna do a taste test in a little bit. Got some rice on. Okay, so I'll be back, y'all. Oh yeah, one more thing, and I have it on low because I want to make sure the beef or the steak get nice and tender, like just. Oh shoot! I want the steak to get nice and tender, where it's just like just melt in your mouth. Okay, and we got the rice going, so I'll be back.